Are you tired of watching videos that promise easy side hustles, but they either don't work or they ask you to learn coding, buy $500 software, or already have 10 years of marketing experience? Well, I was too. But what if I told you that you can use free AI tools in 2025, even if you're a complete beginner, to start earning $20, $50, or even $100 per day? No tech skills, no fake copy-paste tasks, and most importantly, no need to spend a single dollar upfront. In this video, I'm breaking down 3 real AI side hustles you can start today with zero experience, using only free tools, and earning from real platforms people in the US, India, UK, Canada, and other rich countries already trust. Hey, lovely friends, I'm Gatun Isadora, and welcome to Gatun's Gen Z Finance. I know how confusing this make money online space feels. There's way too much noise, too many apps, too many fake promises. So I made this video especially for you, whether you're in the US, the UK, Australia, Canada, or just anywhere with a stable internet connection, to gently guide you step by step. And don't worry, I'll teach you like a mom teaches her child. From absolute beginner to confident pro. Here's what we'll cover today: how to use AI even if you've never touched it before, how to turn it into simple side hustles that people actually pay for, where to sell your work safely and smartly, and the biggest mistakes beginners make, so you can skip the struggles. So get ready, because this might be the first video that actually helps you start earning. Side Hustle 1. Create social media content using AI. Now, the first side hustle is for all of you who love Instagram or Pinterest, or just beautiful design in general. Small business owners, influencers, life coaches, they all need content. Quotes, tips, carousels, captions, every single day. But they don't have time to write it or make it look good. And that's where you come in. How you can help with AI. First, go to ChatGPT. Just the free version is fine. Ask it to give you content like this. Write 30 motivational captions for Gen Z fitness influencers in 2025. Boom, done in seconds. Now take those captions and open Canva.com, also free. Search Instagram post templates. Pick a modern design, something clean, aesthetic. Now paste those captions one by one into Canva and create a set of beautiful posts. Export it as JPGs or PDFs. And congrats, you just created a content pack that people will pay for. Where to sell it? Fiverr.com. Make a seller account for free. Search Instagram post package to see how others are selling. Set your price low at first, maybe $5 to $10 for 10 posts. Etsy.com. This is great for digital products. Sell bundles like 50 motivation quotes for coaches. Once you upload a product, it sells while you sleep. Instagram DMs. Find local businesses or personal brands. Send them a free sample with a message like, "Hey, I made these 5 free." IG posts for you. Let me know if you'd like a full package. Now, talking about beginner mistake to avoid. Don't use the ChatGPT captions exactly as they are. They sound robotic. Always humanize them. Add slang, emojis, or whatever matches the brand tone. Example, change "stay focused on your goals" to "focus, glow, and get that bag." That tiny difference is what gets you hired again. Price tip. Start small, $5 for 10 posts. As your design improves, go up to $30, $50, or even create monthly content plans for $100 plus. Side Hustle 2. AI voice plus video script creator for Reels/Shorts. Now let's talk about the hottest thing online right now, short-form videos. You've seen Reels, TikToks, Shorts. They're everywhere. Most creators and brands don't have time to write scripts or record voiceovers. And that's where you come in. How you can help with AI. First, go back to ChatGPT. Ask it something like, write a 45-second script on 3 skincare hacks for glowing skin in 2025. Now take that script and go to ttsmaker.com or ElevenLabs. Both have free options. Paste the script and choose a natural-sounding voice, not too robotic. Adjust the pacing if needed. Then download the audio file. Now you open CapCut or Canva video editor. Add visuals, subtitles, transitions, and layer the voiceover on top. Export it as a reel or YouTube short. Now talking where to sell it. Fiverr.com. Search short video script plus voice. Make your gig. Show 1 or 2 samples in your preview. Instagram DM offer custom reels to business coaches, realtors, teachers, beauty pages. Bonus tips. Post the reels on your own page with affiliate links to tools. You might even earn from your own videos. Now talking about beginner mistake. Don't just use any AI voice. Some sound like robots from the 1990s. Test and use natural voices, especially ones that sound young and friendly. Try both female and male tones. Always preview before finalizing. Create 2 or 3 sample reels and post them on Instagram, YouTube Shorts, or TikTok. It becomes your portfolio and passive promo. Side Hustle 3. AI Writing Assistant for Freelance Clients. This one is for those of you who love writing, helping people with resumes, bios, product descriptions, or even email replies. In 2025, people are still paying real money for clean, polished writing, but most of them don't know how to make it sound good. That's where you can step in. How you can help with AI. First, go to ChatGPT. Let's say a client wants a product description. Ask the client, what is your product? Who's it for? What's the key benefit? Now paste that into ChatGPT and ask it, write a friendly product description for a silicone phone holder targeted at busy moms. Boom, you get the base copy. But don't stop there. Open Grammarly.com, free. Polish the tone, fix the flow, shorten long sentences. Add your human touch, a smiley emoji, a thank you sentence, anything to make it warm and real. Where to sell it? PeoplePerHour.com. Low competition, real jobs. Search short writing gigs, email editing, or product description. Freelancer.com. Filter for entry-level or fixed-price writing tasks. Contra.com and Quark.com. 2 newer platforms with fresh clients and less crowding. Now discuss on beginner mistake. Don't just copy-paste from ChatGPT. Your client will know. And it breaks trust. Always personalize the tone. Make it sound like you wrote it, not a robot. Now discuss on earnings potential. Start with $15 to $25 per task. You can easily do 2 or 3 per day once you're confident. And resumes, they pay even more. Pro and most important advice. Here's what nobody tells you. It's not about the tools. It's about how consistently and smartly you use them. Don't watch 10 side hustle videos and try 10 different things. Pick just one from today. Give it 1 hour every day. Practice. Send 35 offers per day. Improve your quality, collect testimonials, and trust me, within a few weeks, you'll get your first order, then the second, then more. Now tell me in the comments, which side hustle are you going to try first? I reply to every comment, and I want to build this community with you. If you found this video helpful, please hit the like button, subscribe to Gatun's Gen Z Finance, and share it with a friend who's also looking to earn smart in 2025. Because success, it's always better when we grow together.